Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 8 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the watermark option, so let's tap on it. Now we can see that we can add 4 watermarks to our picture: the date, time, device name and the custom one. By using buttons from the right we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this, or 2, 3 or 4 at the same time, and when we tap to the custom here we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset. And okay, here we have also quick preview how these watermarks looks like. So from the left we have ASUS Zenfone 8 device watermark, from the right we have the hard reset, the custom one, and then date and time. So now let me keep this turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture, to see them also at the real photo. Now let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like with the watermarks at the bottom. And of course, when we don't need these watermarks or need another composition, we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, tap to the watermark and use this as we need, or just turn off all of them. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.